Hello techies, welcome back to Elfin Code channel. So today we will be starting with the Regex playlist. So it will be a small playlist of around 10 to 12 videos, and we will start with the very basic of Regex. We will try to match some design, some pattern related to numeric value, and then we'll be proceeding with some complex regex operation. Along with it, we'll also see what all different methods are available in the RE module of regex in Python. So let us begin with the topic today.
Welcome. So today we will be starting with the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. So basically this is used to create a pattern and that pattern will be used to match in the given paragraph. Okay. So with the help of this regex, you will be creating a kind of string pattern and that pattern you will be passing it to the regex method and regex method will take those pattern and try to search that similar pattern in your given paragraph, and wherever it will find those pattern it will just extract out and give you as an output. Okay, so for this video we have kept the agenda very simple. So we will be doing certain kind of small validation. Also I'll tell you a particular online tool which will be helping you to write the regex operation. Okay, so let us directly go to this particular tool. So this is regex101.com. In general I'm using this particular tool to write any kind of regex which is being used or kind of in need in my program. Okay, so here what we can do, we can consider this year a candidate to be scrapped from this paragraph. Okay, so what I can do, I can just quickly take a reference from one of the help which I'm getting from this particular tool, which is nothing but quick reference. So I've selected Python as a language, and here I'll see that for digit, what is the regex pattern. So for digit it is showing that slash d is the pattern. So it's like if I write slash d, all the numbers, okay, matching will get highlighted. Okay, but here what we need four characters. Okay, four characters of number. So here we can see, here we can say these three numbers are being selected. Okay, so this is going to be the regex expression for extracting my years from the given paragraph. Okay, let us go to the PyCharm and implement the same thing. So I already have this paragraph in my txt1, okay, and I've imported the regex module with the help of import re. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm just using it match equal to re dot find all. Okay, and here I'm passing the pattern which I've copied, and thereafter we are um, uh, passing the string. Okay, and we can say that print give me my matches. Okay, so here you can see that both the year has been extracted or scrapped from the given paragraph. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So now the point is, here we have used for slash d. So instead of that, what we can do, we can just remove all this. Okay, and we can write like this also. Okay, sorry, 4. So what we want 4 slash d kind of character, 4 time it should come. Okay, so that's how also we can do it. So if we just replicate it like here, so slash d in slash d is nothing but an integer. So how many times you want to see the integer? 4 times. So if we can see 4 mm, joint integer character, those thing will get scrapped. So here you can say it is still displaying the same thing. I mean, those here are being extracted even if we modify the regex pattern. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Now we'll take one more attempt. Okay, so what we learned here one. Okay, slash d slash d slash d slash d. Two, we learned slash d, and then 4. Okay, and now what we will do, we will learn that my first number in the year should be 1 or 2, and second character onward it could be anything. Okay, anything in the sense it could be between 0 anything means it should be between 0 to 9. Okay, so that's how we can think of. So what we can do, instead of like this, uh, we can write this. I'll say that I first character should be 1 or 2. Okay, and second character would be 0 to 9. But how many times we want the second character? We want 3 times the second character, because first is already done. First is between 1 and 2. Okay, and second can be between 0 to 9, and third also. And second should be between 0 to 9. Third would be the same. Fourth would be the same. Fifth, fourth would be the same. Second, third, fourth would be the same. I mean, between 0 to 9. But first character should be either 1 or 2. Okay. So, so if I just copy this, okay, and paste it here, I still should get the same output. Okay, so here you can see the year has been extracted from the string. Okay, so this is our third way of finding any you know pattern with the year. It is quite simple, correct? Fourth. Now what we can do, we can try to find out some kind of IP address or something like that. So what I can do, I can go here. I'll say that sample IP address. Okay, so let me take this one. So let me just say this, and here what I want, the slash d, okay, slash d, I want it how many times? Um, 1, 2, 3 times, okay, fine. Then I want dot, okay, and then I want again slash d, okay. Now, do we have any special meaning for dot? Yeah, we have a special meaning for dot. So what we can do, we can just escape it like this, okay? Okay, now this is three character. Now it will be one character and two character. Slash D, one, and even before the slash also we need this one. Then slash, and I need slash D, and we need 2 digit. Okay, fine. So here we can see that with the help of this, we can extract the IP address. Okay, so let me just put it here. And then I'm passing what I can do. I can write here some IP address 192.165 dot 5 dot 67, say 45. Okay, so if I just do it like this is my regex pattern, and my text is txt1. Okay, so here you can see my IP address is being extracted. Okay, so this is how you need to write your regex operation. Okay,
Elfin quiz of the day. What is the primary purpose of the RE package in Python? Option A, file handling. Option B, string manipulation. Option C, pattern matching using regular expressions. Yeah, option D, mathematical calculations. Mention your answer in the comment
Thank
section
you for
below.
watching this video. Hopefully you must have liked the video. We will be coming up with the next video very soon on this regex, and we'll take more complex examples, and we'll also take a lot of different methods which are available in the regex module. For now, thank you. Do subscribe the channel and keep watching the videos from Elfin Code. Thank you.